today's video we are making cheese pasta. Let's make. Make sure you have your parents with you while cooking. To make this we need cheese, butter, carrot, yellow capsicum, green capsicum, red capsicum, onions, milk, garlic and pepper. We also need boiled pasta. First add butter. Let it melt. Now add milk. Now mix it. When the milk is creamy, add some cheese. Now mix it well until it's creamy. You have to wait for some time and add more cheese since we didn't add maida. Now add pasta. Mix it well and try to add milk and cheese. Now transfer it to the another bowl. Now add butter. Now wait until it's melting. Add vegetables. Toss until it's transparent. Now add red capsicum and green capsicum, yellow capsicum and mix it. Now add carrot. Mix it well. Now add salt. Now add pasta. Now mix it well. Now I mixed well. Add pepper. Now pasta is ready. Let's serve it in the bowl. As a final touch, add some cheese. The pasta is ready. Thanks for watching. Let's taste it. Wow, it's so hot and it is so yummy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.